Achieve showroom-worthy shine with the best cordless car polishers. Embrace the freedom of cordless convenience as you elevate your car detailing game. These innovative tools offer unparalleled portability, allowing you to polish your vehicle with ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless car polishers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Batoca S4, the epitome of cordless convenience and powerful performance in car polishing. Ranked as the 5th best cordless car polisher, it redefines detailing with its innovative features. Experience unparalleled ease with its 1 and 3 mm random orbital and 0 mm rotary polisher, all interchangeable within 5 seconds with no tools required. This swift action ensures fast and powerful polishing, delivering a showroom shine without risking paint damage. Powered by a brushless motor, the Batoca S4 offers maximum polishing power for thorough cleaning of vehicle exteriors and interiors, while its random orbital action ensures swirl-free results. Versatility is key, with 1 and 3-inch backing plates allowing for a range of tasks from polishing to grinding, catering to both small and large surfaces. Equipped with a sustainable battery interchangeable system, its 2.5 Ah lithium-ion batteries provide up to 2 hours of wire-free polishing on a single charge, allowing for untethered detailing anywhere, without wires getting in the way. Priced at $110. Meet the Populo 20V cordless buffer polisher, ranked as the 4th best cordless car polisher. Elevate your polishing experience with its 7-speed selection, ranging from 2,000 to 4,800 RPM, displayed clearly on the LCD screen. Tailor your polish to perfection, whether it's waxing, buffing, polishing, cleaning, or tackling paint defects and oxidation. Designed for comfort and control, this lightweight polisher weighs just 4.62 pounds, featuring a versatile multi-grip design for fatigue-free operation from any angle. The comprehensive kit includes a 4.0 Ah lithium battery pack, charging swiftly, along with 2 cloth towels and 3 polishing sponges for various finishes. Additionally, a real wool pad is included for fine polishing. Experience cordless freedom with its brushless power technology, powered by a 4Ah extra performance lithium-ion battery and an enduring brushless motor, priced at $87. Discover the Saker cordless car buffer polisher, ranked as the 3rd best among cordless car polishers. Designed to revolutionize your car detailing experience, it combines lightweight portability with powerful performance. Say goodbye to tangled cords and cumbersome wires. Weighing just 2.3 lbs, this cordless polisher allows for hassle-free maneuvering without the risk of tripping hazards. Its pure copper 4-pole motor delivers robust dual-action random orbital with minimal noise, offering 6 adjustable speeds up to 5,000 RPM to meet diverse detailing needs. Powered by a rechargeable 12V2000 Ah lithium battery, the Saker polisher ensures high performance with simple and economical charging. Efficiency is key, and the Saker polisher delivers easy installation features such as a hook and loop surface for swift pad changes and an elastic band for seamless polishing bonnet application. Priced at $89. Introducing the Protmex cordless car buffer polisher, ranked as the 2nd best cordless car polisher on the market. This innovative tool offers adjustable speed settings ranging from 2,800 to 5,500 RPM, allowing you to tailor the polishing experience to your specific requirements. Equipped with 2 upgraded 21V 1500 mAh batteries, this buffer ensures extended usage time, providing up to 100 minutes of continuous operation. The lightweight and cordless design enhances maneuverability and user comfort, weighing just 3.3 pounds, including the battery. Say goodbye to tangled cords and cumbersome equipment. The kit includes a comprehensive selection of accessories, including various sponge polishing pads, wool polishing discs, cloth covers, non-woven cloth covers, and sandpapers. This versatility extends its applications beyond car polishing to furniture, ceramic, wood, and metal surfaces, priced competitively at $89. Say hello to the Batoca B02, the epitome of cordless car polishers, hailed as the #1 choice for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Crafted with durability and tranquility in mind, its high-impact ABS shell ensures resilience while housing a potent all-copper motor, guaranteeing a noiseless yet powerful performance. Weighing a mere 3 pounds, its lightweight and portable design makes it a breeze to maneuver and store. Featuring 5mm random orbit DA technology, novices and experts alike can achieve a uniform finish on any painted surface effortlessly. Equipped with two 2.0 AH batteries and a rapid charger, the Batoca B02 ensures uninterrupted efficiency. The power alert function keeps you informed of battery status with 3 colored indicators, ensuring you never run out of juice unexpectedly. With speed adjustability ranging from 1 to 6 levels and an OPM range of 2,500 to 5,000, priced at a modest $89. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.